Hi friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to make automatic street light system. If you want to download the circuit diagram of this project, the link is in the description. But please subscribe my channel before downloading the circuit diagram. To complete this easy electronic project, you will need LDR, transistor BD139, resistor 22k, 1 watt LED, 18650 battery, 18650 battery holder. Now let's solder the components. Solder both legs of LDR with the emitter and base of the transistor BD139. Now solder 22k resistor with the base of the transistor. Now solder the positive terminal of LED with the resistor and the negative terminal of LED with the collector of the transistor. Now connect the positive terminal of 3.7 volt battery to the resistor and the negative terminal of 3.7 volt battery to the emitter of the transistor. And you are done. If you want to download the circuit diagram of this project, the link is in the description. But please subscribe my channel before downloading the circuit diagram. Please like, share and comments below. Thanks for watching.